Scientists are in shock. The Kaaba holds unexplainable secrets. Miracle number 1, star alignment. The Kaaba's southeast wall perfectly aligns with Canopus, one of the brightest stars. Twice a year, at noon, the Kaaba casts no shadow, a rare event used to calculate Qibla worldwide. Miracle number 2, center of the world studies show Mecca sits at a golden ratio point on Earth. Its distance to the north and south poles follows the divine 1.618 ratio, the same found in nature, galaxies, even DNA. Miracle number 3, magnetic anomaly. A compass here points to true north with 0 deviation, extremely rare. Plus, NASA confirms Mecca sits in a low radiation zone. Miracle number 4, gravity equilibrium. Satellite data reveals Mecca has a unique gravitational balance, a perfect equilibrium point on Earth, a structure aligned with the stars, at Earth's center in a gravity and magnetism anomaly zone 1,400 years ago. Miracle or divine precision? Like and follow for more Islamic wonders.